Hi there, I'm Denis from Volvo Cars Edmonton. We know that a lot of folks struggle with the hands-free tailgate on their Volvo, so I'm here to tell you some things you might not know about your Volvo hands-free tailgate. We know there's some other dealers taking notes, so let's get started. So there might be 50 ways to leave your lover, but there's 4 ways to open Volvo's power tailgate. First and most obvious one is to reach in under the L in the Volvo badge and push the touchpad under there, which allows the tailgate to open. Once the tailgate is open, you'll have 2 buttons here on your tailgate, one of which will close the tailgate and one of which will close the tailgate and lock the entire vehicle. If this is your last stop, you can grab your things, close the tailgate, walk away, and the car will lock itself. The second way is from the Volvo key fob. So at the bottom of your key fob on the right-hand side, there's a button for the tailgate. If you press and hold it, the tailgate will open. There's also the button on the left-hand side of your steering column here. If you push and hold this button, your tailgate opens and closes. One of the most popular ways to open the tailgate, and also the one that seems to cause the most frustration, is the hands-free tailgate. So with the hands-free tailgate, there's a specific area that you can kick under the bumper to open the tailgate. It varies from model to model. On the XC90, it's roughly under the first V in Volvo in a straight line down. You just give it a straight in and out kick like this, and the tailgate opens. Depending on the model, the sweet spot to open the hands-free tailgate will vary. So on the XC60, it's more in the center, and on some of our XC40s as well. So you can always chat with us and we'll help you understand the best place to kick to open your particular tailgate. So on the XC60, the spot varies. So depending on the year of your XC60, it'll either be under the first V in Volvo like the XC90, or on XC60s since 2022, it'll be more in the center. Same thing on the XC40. On older XC40s, it'll be under the first V in Volvo. On the newer ones, it's right in the middle. Now remember, your Volvo is designed for a straight in and out kick like this. It will generally ignore any sort of side to side waggling, so just a straight, quick in and out kick is all it needs. Sometimes, even though you're kicking in the right spot and you're kicking in the right way, the tailgate still doesn't open. That might be because you have your phone in the same pocket as the key, and the vehicle can't recognize the key's signal because it's being overpowered by your phone signal. So if that's the case, just move your key to a different pocket, or you can hold it in your hand as well, and then it works every time. And those are some things you may not have known about your Volvo hands-free tailgate.